Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is No Code School and today we're going to be talking about Popsy.co. Popsy.co is a website builder that works like Notion. It says here you just start typing and you can create professional websites in seconds and you can design and publish with absolutely no code. So what we're going to be doing here today is creating a website for our YouTube channel No Code School. So here we are on the home page of Popsy.co and as you can see here it says choose a starting point. So we click that. And here we have a number of templates that we can choose from. So you can start from a blank canvas or you can choose one of these templates here. So since we're going to be making a page for our YouTube channel, let's scroll down here and see if there's something we can use. Here we go. Here is a YouTuber website that we can use. Let's select this template and we have to sign up to continue. So let's just finish up with that. We also want to bring to your attention that a large portion of our viewers are not actually subscribed. So if you like what you see here and you want to see more, please consider subscribing as it helps us out a lot. As soon as you sign into your account, you'll be presented with your template over here. This template is called Felix. So over here on the left, we have our home option and a publish option and the global styles such as the layout, typography, buttons and images. And then integrations, various integrations you can add, custom code if you want to add that. Site settings such as the site name, the logo, etc. and tips and shortcuts, and you can add a navigation bar, and here we have a list of the pages. We can add new pages, and if you come over here centrally we have our canvas, we have our main page, the what I do section and the various examples of what the YouTuber does, and a newsletter to subscribe to and different links here at the bottom. And over here we have a reload page, a preview. You can change it from mobile mode to desktop mode and you can preview the page here. This is what it will look like. So they say website building that works like Notion. So if you come up here and click one of these sections here, you can see type / for commands, and if you put in / here, you can see you can add a section, text, title, different types of headings, lists and various other features such as buttons, images, video, etc. But for the purposes of the tutorial here, we're going to stick with our template right here and change up these details over here. So as you can see, this text here says, "Hi, I'm Felix." We can change that to say, and we can select this and format it in different ways. And we can change this text over here as well to represent what we are. And we can change this image over here by selecting it and uploading our own image. And there we go. Here is our front page here. Hi, this is No Code School and we are an educational YouTube channel that creates videos on the topic of various no code tools. And we can scroll down here to the what I do section. We have the text already here, video tutorials, which we actually do, and then Notion templates, which we can change to, let's say, and we can change courses to simple explanations, product demos. And we can leave these images over here the same for the purpose of this tutorial. And when we scroll down here, we can see the next 3 sections are expansions of the what I do section. As you can see here, video tutorials. We can leave this text the same for now. But here we have a button which has a link. We can change that link to our YouTube channel. There we go. And we can change this video embedded here to one of our video tutorials. So let's select this section here and delete it and click the / for commands. And come down here to video and enter the URL of the video. So there we go. And now we have one of our videos embedded into the page. Similarly, we can edit the rest of these sections. And there we go. We've edited these 3 sections to reflect our YouTube channel with our own links. And we've changed the buttons to point to our YouTube channel. And here we have our final section, subscribe to my newsletter. Let's change this to subscribe to our, and change the subscribe button to point to our channel. And there we go, we've made the basic changes to our YouTube template. So this is our main section here with our introduction, what we do and the various expansions and our subscribe button. So what we can do here is we can view this in mobile mode as well, like this. And we can preview how this would look like on the website. Close preview. And when you're done editing your website, you can publish it. And Popsy has a free 7-day trial. After that, you have to pay $8 a month. So let's try this for free, and after you go through the payment formalities, you can publish your website either using a Popsy domain or a custom domain. So for now, let's use a Popsy domain. Let's say no code school and publish, and see the site is being published and it'll take some time. Let's go to our dashboard in the meantime and wait for the website to publish. And once it finishes processing, your website is now live, so we can go to that URL, and there we go. Here is our popsy.co website published on a Popsy domain. So that's how you create a simple no-code website with popsy.co. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you learned something here today. If you like this video and you want to see more, please consider subscribing, as it helps us out a lot. If you have any other no-code tools that you would like us to cover, please leave them down in the comments below. Once again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.